It's very warm. Alright. Hey guys, Tuesday. We're doing air hockey.
Is that the set?
Okay.
Ready? I literally can't reach that.
You can now. Oh, I'm glad I got that.
How about, you want to do me and you? Because he's just played 2 games in a row. Give him a
Yeah, you can do you too.
Whoa! Shit. This puck is so weird.
Oh!
I think that's very much like that. What's the score?
31 Maddie, 57 John.
Yeah, I knew what I was saying.
Air hockey with sound effects.
From me.
Oh. Okay, 180, 106 Maddie, 183 John. Oh, there. One of the red one's worth 10. All the rest of them are worth 3. Oh, the red one, Maddie. Justin got the red one of Maddie. 3 minutes left. Oh, there they are. You got it an extra time than we did. Ten seconds. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait. Nothing else is counting. It says Maddie won with 157 to 155 for Justin. Oh my God. Oh, Whoa, you're doing it like that? How many points was that?
I got 2, got 1.
never seen Florida before. Let's go to.
Someone else go on.
Probably turn us around first.
Oh,
Hello.
I was going to say this.
I switched sides.
Oh.
Obviously,
This
you
was
found.
the gangway was on this side. They already had it set up. You think we're going to spin around?
Yeah, this is a turning basin. I think they're going to spin.
Oh
us
God.
around, so we're facing the right direction to go out.
Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet. This is good, but Bahamas is better.
It's not the Genesee River.
It's not the Genesee River.
It's like
Hold this.
It's like the good
No.
kind of green.
I need to put my sunglasses on.
Justin told me to hold this, and I don't know when I can stop.
There's a separate inlet. And
You hold this.
gave the whole
You
thing
do
off.
it.
So I must have been on the other side.
Just set it here. No, I'm just kidding.
Just set it on. Just set it on.
Really uneven.
Yeah. Definitely no chance of losing it there.
All right, this is the Sunshine State, the beautiful state of Florida. Florida. That was so stupid. We are actually not going this way, we're going that way, but you can't see. There's a T-pose for John coming out of the bathroom.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Ask where they are.
They're still outside Jamie's, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Where are we now
Okay.
versus Jamie's?
It's gonna be this one. No, it's not gonna be that one. It's gonna be this one. Okay, anyway, I filmed so we could say what we're doing. We're going to Florida. We're in Florida. Yay. Oh, I was wrong. It's weird. It's weird.
we're not on a boat
It's weird.
anymore. It's not
It's weird. I can't do it. I finally got used to it this morning.
I know. I had the same thing when we first cruised. It's like you get off of the ship and now it feels like the land is moving.
This looks like some weird laboratory.
It looks like RIT.
Because you get used to the motion of the ship.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, it's weird.
For some reason, it doesn't feel weird to me. Like, I don't feel it. I mean,
So I've never been in Florida before.
Well, you are now in Florida. We're over land. So
What?
GG land.
Oh, Gigi. Yep, there's Gigi.
The Norwegian ship over there? I thought that's the one that was shadowing us.
Wait, this is a pretty picture. Wait. This plant is probably not soft.
I want to take a picture of the foliage tunnel.
I'll take a picture of John going through the foliage tunnel. John, that was a cue. That I want to get a picture of the foliage tunnel. Okay, thank you. Is this plant soft? No. By Cocoa Beach. So after all that, we made it back on time. Mary wants to know when we get back.
Mary and Paul.
Mary is looking for us. We just barely made it back in time.
I don't know why I find this so funny.
You what?
I don't know why I find this so funny. Look over there. Tug and no tug.
Tug and no tug. John,
John.
look over there.
John correctly predicted that I would spill my beverage.
Keep the damn thing closed. Henceforth, unless you're
We're
actually.
watching. Okay, I'm vlogging now. We're watching music videos on TV. Maddie spilled her beverage. We're playing this game.
Close it.
I'm keeping it in my hand.
Too
So
bad.
basically, you spin the wheel, you draw a card corresponding to the color, and the cards have like stupid things on them.
Yeah, but like, I mean, one of them, that one was insane.
Oh.
Like, some of the things are just things you should, like, just never do.
Just not do.
Like, some of the things, I think if you get something that's, like, deliberately bothering someone, then skip it. I
Yeah,
say.
I mean, you don't really want to call Ben and Jerry's at 10:40.
Right? Well, anyway, that's just gonna be bothersome to them, and it's gonna be annoying, right? Because you're deliberately, essentially, it's encouraging, like, the customer service people are just gonna be like, ugh, like, really, it's another one of these calls?
Yeah.
Like,
Okay, well, you're allowing me to draw another one in
yes,
this case?
we're
Well,
allowing you to draw
no,
someone in this case.
So, like,
Maybe.
with the customer service ones, we'll draw
Yeah.
that one. That's fine.
I don't, or
Pardon?
anything
No,
that's
this
gonna
one.
be really
This one was
loud.
the one that was on top
We're
before.
Yeah, but...
No, that wasn't the one you drew.
Oh, okay. Pick a player to have a dance-off with. The group picks the winner. If you lose, spin again. I'm not a fan of this one. I'm not gonna do this.
Okay, so then
Well, then you just
John's
take the point.
turn.
I'm just gonna...
No, it's your turn.
Stick it in there. It is
Oh.
your turn. I have not
Black.
had enough spice to have a dance-off with somebody.
Call a hotel. Say you're a micro
skip it.
influencer with 6K followers and ask what deals they have for you.
That's
funny,
funny, but
but-
skip it because it's customer service.
If I dance off against John...
If the Wendy's one comes up, we're doing it.